Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you this coaxial inline amplifier, like how it will work. So friends, there are two things. The first one is you need to run this, you need to use this amplifier only in the cases where the cable run is long. You will not see any effect if your cable is just 10 to 12 meters. So at least you have more than 20 meters of cable run, so that the situation will cover up, like there will be some loss in the dB from antenna to your receiver. So first thing is this, and second one is this inline coaxial amplifier only works on Ku band. Do not try this on C band. I know you have never heard this on the YouTube channels or in any videos, but this is my personal experience that I am sharing with you. Like, this amplifier only works on Ku band. Do not try this on C band. It will not work on that, and it will actually stabilizes your signals more than increase your signals or dBs. So the use is very simple. Like, one side is the power inserter and second side is antenna. So your LNB wire will go through this, and your receiver wire will go through this. And if you are using dissect switch, suppose this is dissect switch, and if you are using dissect switch, do not use this at tuner side. Always use this on LNB sides, whether LNB 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever is. Do not use this on tuner side. Always use this on LNB sides. So if you have, suppose if you are running 4 LNBs on dissect switch, then you need 4 inline amplifiers in this way. So I hope friends, I'm able to clear you the facts of this inline amplifier, and just try it. If you need to increase some loss dBs in your cable runs, long cable runs, and if you find any difficulty, then please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching this.